In this video, we will demonstrate plugging in and using a turntable with your configured and connected Q-Active system. Your Q-Active stand mount or tower speaker system must already be configured and connected to the internet. Please watch our setup video if you need any help to do this. You can use a turntable with or without its own phono preamplifier, as long as it is fitted with a moving magnet type cartridge. You can use a turntable with its own phono preamplifier or use an external preamplifier if it is fitted with a moving coil type cartridge. You will also need the Q-Active remote control paired with the system. If you are using a moving magnet cartridge on your turntable without its own phono preamplifier, then select the MM position on the rear hub switch. This will activate the phono preamplifier built into the Q-Active hub. If you are using a built-in or external phono amplifier, then select the line level position on the rear hub switch. Plug in the left and right audio cables into the hub analog input, and also the separate ground spade connector if your turntable has one. Screw it into position as shown. There are large differences in turntable signal outputs, and so it is recommended to configure this input to require manual switching only. You can do this from the Q-Active app. Select the settings for the system, then source settings, and scroll down to line/moving magnet auto on. Make sure to switch this setting to off. You will now always have to manually select the analog input to play records, but you will find this to be much more reliable. Press the analog input on the remote control, or select the analog input using the hub or speaker input buttons. Once this input is selected, you can play your vinyl records and enjoy. You can adjust the volume using the Q-Active remote control or buttons on the speaker. Once you have finished, simply press standby on the remote or the hub, and the system will automatically switch off after 20 minutes. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.